In this video, I'll be explaining how Vagaro works. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Vagaro is one of the most popular platforms for salons, spas, barbers, beauty professionals, trainers, and wellness businesses. But a lot of people are still unsure how the system actually works behind the scenes. So today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Vagaro works as an all-in-one business management and booking platform. Its main purpose is to help professionals schedule appointments, manage clients, take payments, run marketing, and organize their entire business from one place. Everything is handled through the Vagaro app or desktop dashboard, making it easy for both business owners and customers. From the business side, the main feature is the Vagaro calendar, where appointments are booked, updated, and viewed. You can create custom services, set your availability, block off time, and assign staff members. When clients book, the appointment automatically appears on your calendar, and both the business and the customer receive instant confirmations. Vagaro also offers online booking, which is a huge reason so many businesses choose it. Customers can book through your Vagaro profile, your website, Google, Instagram, or even directly from your social media links. The booking system also sends out automated reminders, helping reduce no-shows and keeping your schedule organized. Another major part of how Vagaro works is client management. It stores customer profiles, purchase history, notes, contact information, formulas, preferences, and past appointments. This makes it easy for businesses to provide personalized service, stay organized, and track repeat clients. Vagaro also includes a built-in point-of-sale system for taking payments. You can charge customers through the app, send invoices, process credit cards, sell memberships, accept deposits, and even set up cancellation fees. Everything you earn is tracked automatically in your financial reports. Marketing is another key feature. Vagaro provides email marketing, text marketing, promotions, deals, and automated messages. Businesses can send out reminders, offer discounts, run campaigns, and increase bookings without needing separate software. For businesses that sell products, Vagaro also supports inventory tracking, barcode scanning, and online store features. And if you have employees, it includes payroll tools, time tracking, commission management, and performance reporting. Customers, on the other hand, experience Vagaro as a simple booking marketplace. They open the app, search for a service, compare businesses, check reviews, and book instantly. The platform makes scheduling fast, smooth, and convenient. Overall, Vagaro works as a complete business solution for appointment-based services. Whether you're a solo stylist or a multi-location business, Vagaro centralizes everything, booking, payments, clients, and marketing, into one powerful system.